Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install Android TV on your Ubuntu or Linux PC using Waydroid, along with the supechicken Waydroid Android TV build. This setup basically turns your Linux machine into an Android TV box, so you can run apps, games, and even try out the Android TV interface directly on your desktop. Let's get started. Let us first install Waydroid by running these commands. First, install curl and certificates, and then add the official Waydroid repository. Now, update your package list and install Waydroid. Now, here comes the fun part. Instead of the default Android system, we'll use the supechicken Waydroid Android TV build, which gives us the full Android TV experience. After download, extract the file, then copy the images to the root of the downloads folder. Now copy the Android TV images. Reinitializes Waydroid with the Android TV images. Next, register Android TV on Google's uncertified device website. First, get your ID by running this command. And there you go, Android TV running right on your Linux PC. You can log in with your Google account, install apps from Play Store, and enjoy the same interface you'd find on an Android TV box. A few quick tips. If you want better performance, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS and you are running Wayland and not X11. This is crucial for Waydroid. You can usually select Ubuntu on Wayland from your login screen before you enter your password. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Linux tutorials and tech projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.